There's some in there. Daddy, what does that Easter egg have?
It has monies. Open it a little bit. Put it in your basket. Let's find more.
Find more. Oh, no, that
was it. There was only that one.
Look, Georgie. Whoa. See any more? Keep looking. Oh, wow. Purple. Where else, Georgie? Keep looking.
If I would have known it would be this cool, I would have hit 1,000.
No, Easter Bunny. Oh, that one sounded like money. Did it break?
No, it's the hard
No, it big.
No, it did break. I got that.
What's up?
Oh, he
we'll
wants.
get it later. We gotta go find more eggs.
He wants to see what's in it, though.
You want to see what's in it?
Yeah.
More monies.
You're gonna be rich.
You're gonna be rich.